What's up, guys? Break 2963. It's 22 Contenders Optic. Random team break. We're full. Good luck, everybody. To the dice. We're going 11 times. 11 times. Teams are first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Vikings are at the top. Bengals are at the bottom. 11 times down your names. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are you cleaning? 7, 8. Come here and clean. 9, 10, 11. Chris Capella's at the top. Ryan Chapman's at the bottom. Here's your squads. I'll sort. And print. Washington for Thomas Hall. Titans for Grant. Bucks for Jeremy. Niners for Ryan Holmstrom. Steelers for Roy. Jets for Paulie Wattoon. Saints for Grant. Patriots Brett Carman. Who else? Who else is good? I forget. Lions Thomas Hall. Bengals for Chapman. Lots of good teams here. Let's go. Let's hit a banger. Good luck. Watch the mic, and then you can just talk right into the mic.
All right.
Cut it like a man, Tyler. Cut it like OJ. Cut it like OJ did. Is that too soon? It's not too soon. It's been like 20 years, 30 years.
It's been a hot minute.
Yeah, we're good. We're good for that joke. Joke lives. You did? Paulie, who'd you get, Paul? You got the Jets, baby.
All right.
And the Jags. Here we go.
Here we go. First card up, we got a Jalen Waddle blue. It's going to be out of 99.
Nice.
The Dolphins.
Little Waddle.
All right, next up, got a Joe Montana die cut out of 75 for the Niners. Very nice.
Not bad, not bad. Ryan Holmstrom.
Coming up next, Patty Mahomes, little base card.
Matty Metzger.
Jalen Watson, rookie. Base.
All right, we're going to see if the kid has it. It's about to hit the heat.
Here we go. First card up. Got an Ed Ingram, base auto.
Not a good start for his career.
Not a great start.
Come on.
Actually,
I think he
got
might
some
redeem
pretty
himself.
nice here.
I think he might redeem himself.
Got a George Pickens, rookie auto.
There you go,
Very
Rob.
nice.
Damn, he barely hit the card.
Believe it or not, that's actually one of the better autos of him that I've seen.
Yeah.
But
recap then.
awesome.
Put the autos in the back and then just recap.
All right.
Which cards to the front. You can go and top load those, all of them as well.
Jalen Watson, rookie. Patrick Mahomes, base. Joe Montana, pink die cut out of 75. Jalen Waddle, blue out of 99. George Pickens, rookie ticket auto for the Steelers. And an Ed Ingram, rookie auto for the Vikings.
Not bad, not bad. Good break, Tyler.